Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This Korean fried chicken is coated with an addictive homemade Korean sweet chili sauce that is a popular dish, and it's crunchy on the outside but it's tender on the inside. The crunchy crust is complemented with a sauce that is usually sweet and spicy.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Who doesn't love spicy chicken wings? Of course, we all do. If you like spicy foods and fried chicken, then this Korean fried chicken is for you. This is one of my favorite food to have on a lazy Saturday night with an addictive, sweet, and spicy sauce. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Let's start with preparing the chicken wings. If you stretch out the wing, you'll notice that there are three parts to the wing. There is the wingtip, also called the flapper. The middle part is the winglet, also called the flap. And then the meatiest part is called the drummet. Let's marinate the chicken wings. I added 3 cloves of garlic, mashed. Then 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, followed by 1/2 of lemon juice. Squeeze. A pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix well together and marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's make the gochujang sauce.
In a medium heat temperature, let's add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then followed by 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, followed by 5 cloves of garlic.
One teaspoon of grated
Fresh ginger. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And lastly,
2 tablespoons of gochujang paste. This gochujang sauce that we are making is sweet and perfect as a Korean chicken sauce. And this gochujang sauce,
also called Dakgangjeong sauce, it's sweet, tangy, and sticky sauce. Let's just stir and simmer. Smells so good. And it's done. And we can set it aside. Alright, let's fry the chicken. In a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 2 cups of cooking oil.
while heating the cooking oil to 350 degrees, in a large bowl, toss wings with potato starch and squeeze to compress coating onto each wing. Do you know when using potato starch is extremely light and holds its crispness for hours? Yes, hours. That's the secret. Carefully add wings to oil and fry until skin is just lightly crisped and golden. And then after, remove wings from oil and set aside on prepared plate. Let's rest briefly. Reheat the cooking oil to 400 degrees. Return wings to pot and fry again until deeply golden and skin is crisp and crunchy. It's about 4 to 5 minutes. This Korean fried chicken is a popular dish in South Korea that is called KFC or Chicken in Korea. It was first introduced from the US military during the 1960s and has gained popularity ever since. What sets it apart from the fried chicken is that it's double fried to achieve the ultimate crispy, crunchy crust that doesn't get soggy once covered in sauce.
Ooh, they're almost ready. Can't wait. And it's ready. Ooh, they look so crunchy. Perfect. Ooh.
Moving on, in a medium heat temperature, let's add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds.
Let's roast them. Smells so good. Can you smell it? I love roasted sesame seeds. Then let's add the chicken.
Next, let's add the Gochujang sauce. Pour sauce over wings and toss until evenly coated.
Wow, so good.
This Korean fried chicken, aka KFC, the best Korean fried chicken recipe that yields crispy fried chicken in spicy, savory, and sweet gochujang sauce so crispy and delicious. Every bite is bursting with the natural and juicy flavor of chicken. I can't wait to eat. That is cooking simply delicious.
Let's try it. So crispy and crunchy. Oh my god. So good.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.